Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we are all dressed up because I wanted to do a wedding guest dresses try-on haul. I did one back in the summer, like in a vlog. I spent over $1,000 on Revolve and I couldn't find a single dress that was a good fit, good quality, a good color, a good material. It was just a mess. I returned all of that. But I feel like this time of year there's a lot of holiday parties, weddings, events that require you to dress up and look pretty. And I wanted to do one that was, you know, very pretty jewel tone dresses under $100 because for some reason wedding guest dresses are insanely expensive and the quality kind of sucks. So these, I love almost all of them. I love the way they fit, $100 or less, which is definitely great. So I'm super excited to get into it. Everything will be linked down below, including the size and the color that I got. And if you want to see more, definitely follow me on Instagram. I have quite a few weddings and events where I need to dress up this holiday season, so I'm super excited to share those over there and vlog it and all that good stuff. Anyway, let's get into it. I want to start off with one of my favorites. This dress is so inexpensive and I feel like it looks really good. The fabrics are different depending on the colors. I got it in 3 different colors just to see. It has little cutouts right here on the side and it has 2 zippers, so it's almost like 2 separate pieces. The top has a zipper and then the bottom zips on the side. It's so pretty. There's no slit. It has like a very nice, oh yeah, there's a slit. I'm just too short. It has a nice and flowy skirt and it's just so beautiful. In the purple, I don't love this like satin finish. It almost looks velvet, but it has no velvet texture. I feel like this is really flattering on a lot of body types and it runs very true to size. Personally, I don't think I could get away with wearing a bra because it really shows everything. So I'm gonna go with sticky boobs instead, but I love that it has sleeves. I love the different jewel tones and it's just so nice and flattering. Okay y'all, here is that same dress just in a different material and I like this so much better. I just don't love the satin look. So this one I also got in a small, but I do feel like it's like slightly bigger, especially at the waist. Like there's a lot of room right there. I don't have time to alter it, so I'm gonna have to run with it, but I just really like how easy this one is. It's not too revealing. It has a nice cutouts and this lid, it's comfortable and I think it's super flattering. There's so many color options as well, and for a dress that's like about 80 bucks and you can always get 15% off if you've never shopped on there. I think this is a great option. This is actually what I'm wearing, I think, on Saturday. I'm just decided that because it's so nice and comfy, especially for dancing around. Here's this dress. It is a very deep V with a ton of tiered ruffles. I love the movement that this dress has. It also really cinches you at the waist because like I feel snatched. I think this is very flattering, except for the fact that my boobs are literally out. I've never liked deep V's. I never liked V-necks on me for obvious reasons. I feel like I would definitely need some sort of fashion tape situation to kind of like move them to the side and secure them. This also comes in a really pretty lace version that is kind of the same cut and the same style, just a different fabric, and I really want that one. I definitely like this way more than I thought I would. Even my husband like really liked it and he had no expectations for it. If my boobs were not such a big problem for me, I would definitely go for it. Not something I see myself wearing to a wedding in a church. I maybe see myself wearing this to a holiday party or a gala type deal, but not a wedding. It is pretty though. Okay, hear me out because I know this dress might not be everyone's cup of tea. I think it's kind of giving, you know, Alison Hightower, Game of Thrones, period era, or a costume. Like one of my friends said it's giving Fiona from Shrek. So I get it, but I think this is such a freaking flattering dress, and maybe it's an emerald that's like making it seem more like a costume, but I think this is so pretty. Like imagine this in black or something. The sleeves are so fun. You can wear them also off the shoulder. They're detached so you have all your movement, and it makes you look teeny tiny because of the way the waist is. And it has this grip right here so it doesn't fall down. I am really obsessed with it. I don't think I would wear it this weekend, but if the right occasion arises, I think this is so pretty. Maybe even for holiday family photos, I might wear this. I love the slit. I might get it taken in just a tad. It is pretty long on me even when I'm wearing heels, but I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, here's a little bit of a different one. This one has like a floral lace overlay, and it is tiered, very long, no slit for sure on this one. And then the neckline is a little bit higher, and you kind of tie it in the back to adjust it. It's kind of hard to do by myself, but it is really pretty. I think in black this would look really, really nice too. I just don't love it on myself. I think it is prone to roll down, and I don't think it looks great on me. It's just like I don't feel super confident in it, but it's really nice. Like I like the look of it. I love the tiered ruffles. I know it makes me want to do that, but it's cute. Would say if you have a bigger chest though, no. Okay, I already have a big problem with this dress, and it's the fact that I could not get it on by myself. It has 2 buttons at the neck, so I have to ask my husband for help. I just hate that, like, make it easy for me. That being said, I actually kind of like it. I think it's really pretty. A few things. It's an open back, so I can't really wear a bra, so my boobs are kind of just, it's really flattering, like way more than I thought it would be. Something about the high neck and you know, the waist, and then the slit. That being said, I think it's giving jazz club singer, cruise ship entertainer. I don't know why, like that's what I'm thinking when I'm looking at myself in this, but it's super pretty. It has like a slit and then all these sort of ruffles on the side, and it looks black in some lighting, but it's actually like a glittery navy blue. One of the tags said like the fabric is super delicate, so I would keep that in mind. I definitely need to wear bra or a sticky bra or something because my boobs are like down here and they need to be up here, but it's pretty. I just don't know what occasion I would wear it to. Maybe like a New Year's Eve wedding. Here is a velvet option that I think would be so pretty for holiday photos or just photos in general. I do think the neckline is really pretty. Not the best for an event where you want to move around, have some mobility. I think it kind of like limits you there, especially with raising your arms. I would probably wear my hair down if I wore this, just because I don't really love doing updos. It makes my shoulders look broad when I'm wearing a off-the-shoulder dress. It cinches at the waist. It has this like nice thick band, which might not fall in the right spot if you're petite like me, and then it gathers on one side, but the slit, it's kind of like a waterfall, so it doesn't really show your legs too much, just like the bottom of your legs. I think if you're taller it might hit you the right way, which would be around here, but not bad. It's just not my favorite for a wedding. I guess I completely forgot that I got this dress also in navy. I know it looks black, but it's definitely like a very, very dark velvet navy. You can see it here. Actually, this is not a navy. This is called sapphire. I like it more in this color. I think it's like way more me, but I still have the same problems. Like the waist is in a awkward spot because of my height, and then I have like the lack of mobility. But if I were to choose, I would probably keep the black or the sapphire, whatever. I'm not a huge fan of wrap dresses on me, especially maxi wrap dresses. This one, I think it's meant to be a midi, but honestly y'all, I hate it. I think it's giving robe, like getting ready robe instead of like a dress that I would personally wear to a formal event. I also don't love this material in the green version. I think it almost looks dirty, like an oil spill. I don't know why I'm making these like super weird comparisons, but yeah. And then on me it's more of like a maxi high-low situation. The tie detaches, so if you don't want to wear that, you don't have to. If anything, this would be a good option for a more casual bridesmaid's dress because it comes in so many colors, but it's just not, it's not for me. I truly mean no offense if you like this, but I couldn't believe I had ordered this dress. It's just not my style at all. I do think it's kind of cool, different, but everything about it is just not me. The actual material feels like someone's grandma's curtains. It's like velvet and mesh, and it's actually really large. Like there's a lot of fabric. It fits kind of weird. I don't know if maybe I needed a smaller size. Obviously I'm not keeping this. It has like a nice slit, as you can see, and I don't know, I don't think it's doing anything for me. I think the way the light reflects on the velvet isn't the most flattering in my opinion, and I really don't like this. Okay, I think the lesson here is that I don't love one shoulder dresses. This one is really weird. It kind of feels cheap, to be honest. I don't think the fabric does anything for you, at least for me. It like shows everything. I'm even wearing spandex, so I also think it's gathering fabric in weird places, but then it's tighter in others. I don't love it. Yeah, I mean, I think you can see even the seams right here aren't super flattering, so this one is a no. Okay, I don't hate this one, even though it's the two things I'm not loving. So it's this cheap satin material, and then it's one shoulder, and it's also like a midi dress. It's kind of like an awkward length on me, especially. It's not bad, like for a more casual option, like a holiday party or something like that. I don't really love these like high-low dresses. They're not my favorite, and I don't think the fabric helps. It gathers like at your waist, so it does make your waist look nice and snatched, but I don't know, y'all. Maybe this is just not for me. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more of these like dedicated special occasion try on hauls, definitely let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. I have a wedding in 2 days from now, so if you could let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, please do. Please let me know in the comments which one you like, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.